Sriram, so we have done some skip counting, yeah, in this 100 charts. So first we are going to look at skipping by 2, skipping by 2. So we'll see what the pattern is and we'll see what are the numbers in ones place. We'll try to see why that pattern comes. So look at this pattern. So we have colored only the blocks which are multiples of 2, like we've skipped by 2, so it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, right? So what pattern does this follow? I've got the patterns here. Yeah, it is standing line, no? Standing line. You can also call it vertical. And if you notice, see, the ones place, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. It follows the same pattern. And that's why we see there's a definite pattern. Now we look at skipping by 3. So we have colored all the blocks by skipping by 3 here in the hundreds chart. So what pattern does this follow, Sriram? Is it still a standing line? No, it is a slanting line. It's also called a diagonal. And if you notice the ones place, they don't follow a very clear pattern, right? It's 3, 6, 9, then 2, 5, 8, 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, something like that. So I'm just going to write 3, 6, 9, 2, 5, 8, and so on. So next let's look at, next we have skipping by 4. So we have colored the blocks in the hundreds chart by skipping by 4. So what format, what pattern do you see, Sriram? In this chart, what pattern do you see? Again, it's a standing line, right? But it is missing one block in between. So it is still standing line. And do we see a pattern in the ones place? Let's see. We have 4, 8, 2, 6, 0. Again it repeats. 4, 8, 2, 6, 0. So we can write, that's the pattern we have. Now we are looking at skipping by 5. So this was easy, right? Coloring by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. So this is definitely which pattern? Which pattern, Sriram? Is it standing? Look at the chart and then answer. Is it standing or sleeping or slanting? Which pattern are we following? Standing. Okay. And there are no gaps also in between. Standing line. And what is in the ones place? 5, 0. Again 5, 0. That's the pattern. Now the last one. This was the easiest of all, no? The next one. So we are skipping by 10. Okay, and what is this pattern? What does it look like to you? Slanting line or standing line? This pattern, what does it look like to you? Standing line. And what is the digit in ones place? Always it is 0. So it's always 0. All